Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to disable certain apps from trying to automatically start up every time you restart your computer, because sometimes you might not know which ones have that setting enabled, and it'll just make the whole thing a lot faster every time you want to start your computer. So all you have to do is go into your Windows settings and go into the apps section, and then down here at the bottom of this little list of tabs on the left-hand side is a list called Startup. These are all the programs on your computer that try to start automatically in the background every time you start your computer. These are things like when I edit everything with Adobe, Adobe always tries to boot up in the background. Microsoft always likes it when Cortana is on. I've got Giazzo to take screenshots. But things that I don't really need is I don't need Opera to run in the background all of the time. I really don't need SteelSeries GG to run in the background. In fact, I probably should remove that because I don't actually have anything that needs anymore. And then there's some other stuff that kind of gets installed, like bloatware, like Wondershare Studio, Windows Security, all that sort of stuff. And if you find something in this list that you've disabled and you think that it doesn't need to be on your computer anymore, now is a wonderful time to go through everything and make a mental note of it or write it down so that you can uninstall it later. But for the most part, anything that I toggle off in this list will no longer try to automatically start every single time that I restart my computer. That'll save me time because a bunch of stuff isn't trying to start running in the background as it's booting up, thus not slowing it down. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you change your startup options inside of Windows 10. I hope you found this helpful. Otherwise, that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.